Hello and welcome to this video where I'll be showing you how to use a MAG-8100. This will go through the proper use and operation of this model. The MAG-8100 is designed only for conventional mower blades. So where the cutting edge is flat and straight, again the lift doesn't matter. The 8100 can only dial into 30 degrees. So if you're looking for a machine that can dial into multiple angle settings, the 8200 is what you should look for. Now, the use of the 8100 is the same as the 8200 when we're doing flat, straight cutting edges with a 1-inch wide grinding wheel. And of course, the 8100 uses a 1-inch wide grinding wheel. The MAG-8100 comes standard with the 9000-23 grinding wheel. If you're used to some of our older models, the MAG-8100 takes the place of the older MAG-9000 that we used to manufacture 2022 and earlier. Now here we have a closer view of the MAG-8100, and the first thing we have to do is make sure we're going to be cutting our 30-degree angle on the mower blade. Angles are adjusted by the crank on top of the machine. This is what raises and lowers the wheel. We want to lower the wheel until it almost touches this edge of the plastic work table. The way we can test that is by taking a business card and seeing if that slips in between. We want to be as close as we can to the table, but without touching it or grinding it. That point of intersection will consistently give us 30 degrees. Now what's important, for us to get a 30-degree angle, we're referencing off the underside of the blade. That means we need to stay flat on this table and not be rocking back and forth and altering our angle. So generally speaking, try to put more of your fingers on top of the blade, pressing down to maintain that flat contact. You can practice without the machine running to feel where flat is, because again, we don't want to be tipping or rocking because we'll be altering the angle. Now let's do some grinding under power. We'll first turn on the dust collector. Well, I certainly hope that gave you some more insight on how to use the MAG-8100 lawnmower blade sharpener. It is a very simple process. Again, in review, using the crank handle to lower the wheel to this edge of the work table or blade rest, that will secure your consistent 30-degree cutting edge angle, and then simply keeping the blade flat on the table as you grind back and forth will give you consistent results every time on your blades. Thank you very much for watching, and if you need any other information, certainly check out our YouTube page, like and subscribe if you enjoyed this content. Thank you very much for watching.